Welcome to practical task number 2 of our series. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the water pump on a gasoline engine. First, locate the water pump on the engine. Next, before removing the water pump, you need to remove the auxiliary drive belt and the water pump pulley. For easier removal of the water pump pulley, slightly loosen the pulley bolts, while the auxiliary drive belt is still on the engine. This will create tension on the pulley, making it easier to unscrew. Then, proceed to remove the auxiliary drive belt as outlined in practical task number 1. After the belt is removed, you can continue by fully unbolting and removing the water pump pulley. Now you have full access to remove the entire water pump. Unscrew the 4 bolts of the water pump casing and remove it. That's it. The water pump has been removed. Now take the water pump and reassemble everything back into place. Tighten the water pump lightly by hand. Then select the correct tightening torque from the table provided and respond to the question. What torque should be used to tighten the water pump bolts with a torque wrench? Reinstall the previously removed parts and install the auxiliary drive belt using the diagram and instructions provided in practical task number 1. Practical task number 2 is complete. In this task, students learn how to replace the water pump on an internal combustion engine. Additionally, students are required to answer a question provided in the examination paper.